Single entry system of bookkeeping. Sukija accounts teaching. Myself is Ramesh Kumar. Today we are going to discuss how to prepare total debtors account and total creditors account. Debtors are our assets. All assets have a debit balance. That is, opening balance comes on the debit side. So therefore we are writing to balance BD. Then whatever we are selling them on credit, they increase the debtors. So therefore, we will write to credit sales. Then on credit side, we will write what decrease the debtors by cash received, by BR received, by sales returns. If the credit sales have been returned by the debtors, by bad debts, if there had been any bad debts during the year. Bad debts amount is the amount which is irrecoverable from the debtors. Either the person concerned has become insolvent or due to any financial reason he or she is not capable of paying his or her debts. Then in the last we are having by balance CD, that is closing balance of debtors. On the debit side, we are having one more item to be dishonored. If the bill we have received from debtors during the year, they had been dishonored, then it increases our debtors. Therefore, we write on the debit side. Now, from debtors accounts, three important things are to be calculated, can be calculated. Number one, opening debtors to balance BD. If it is not given, we cannot prepare the opening statement of affairs. To calculate the opening capital, because this is the capital, opening capital, which we require for preparing closing balance sheet. To opening capital, we add net profit, we add interest on capital, and we subtract drawings. Then we can have the closing debtors by balance CD, which we need for closing balance sheet. And credit sales we need for our trading profit and loss account. Because in trading account we show total sales, cash sales plus credit sales. Then on the other side we come to total creditors account. Creditors is our liability. It always have a credit balance. That is, opening balance comes on the credit side by balance BD. Creditors increase by credit purchases. By credit purchases. And whatever we pay to creditors, to cash paid. If we accept their bills, to BP accepted. If we are returning the goods, to purchases returns. And if any BP is accepted is dishonored by us, we cannot pay in time, then BP accepted dishonored. Then to balance CD, closing balance of creditors. Opening balance of creditors we need for preparing opening statement of affairs, because we need all opening assets and opening liabilities. We also need total purchases for our trading account, that is cash purchases plus credit purchases. Then closing balance of creditors we need for preparing closing balance sheet to balance CD that is there. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. Thank you very much.